On June 18, 2019, in Arkansas, a man was driving a Suzuki Hayabusa motorcycle at a speeding speed and was pursued by police at speeds up to 155 miles per hour.
Catch up with him on the straight big traffic. He took a right. He was turned in behind the Dollar General store.
In Gould, the suspect stopped and surrendered.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put the kick. Get on the ground! Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
The suspect was arrested, fined more than $2,500, given 12 months of probation, and is under consideration for additional charges of escape.
I'm gonna take the helmet off.